everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make a super cool summer drink for yourself and for your children. Now I'm going to give you some hints and you have to guess which drink I'm talking about. Hint number 1, it is a drink that you can not even think of making it at home. Hint number 2, you get it a lot on the roadsides, which is very difficult to drink in today's time. Hint number 3, it is an amazing energy booster. Hint number 4, it is super duper yummy. Hint number 5, you get to drink this drink only in a particular season. Come on guys, these are 5 hints that I have given you. I'm sure you must have guessed it by now. So if you have guessed it, drop in your answer in the comments below before you proceed. And if you have not got the answer, there is last hint for you, which is this drink is green in color. Come on guys, I'm sure you all must have got it now. It is the most amazing, the most refreshing sugar cane juice. Okay, my mouth is watering already, and since I have triggered the taste buds of many of you out there, so come, I will show you how it's done. It is a super simple drink to make. So the main ingredient of our drink is jaggery. So what we are doing here is, we all know that jaggery is made out of sugarcane juice. So we are reversing the process and making sugarcane juice out of jaggery. That's interesting, isn't it? So what we have to do is, we have to soak jaggery in water throughout a night. And in the morning, this is how it's gonna look. So we need to take jaggery, some fresh mint leaves, lots of ice. I had very little fresh mint leaves left in my house, so I'm taking some dry mint leaves too, which I'm going to crush and add, some lemon juice and black salt. So I'm just going to pop all of it in my mixture jar. There goes my soaked jaggery. Here goes my lots of ice and mint leaves. Here comes my lots and lots of dry mint leaves powder. I love the sound of crushing this mint leaves powder. Here goes my lemon juice. I have very small lemons, so I have added around 3 of them. And here I'm going to pop in some black salt. It smells yummy already. So come, let's give it a churn. Check out the color. Doesn't it look exactly like sugarcane juice that we get roadside? And now we are going to strain it and take out all the pulp. Just check out the yummy color and the fragrance. I can't tell you right now, but it smells amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed making this yummy recipe along with me. Do make it for your children and give them that energy boost this summer. So that's all from my end now, from a mother to another. Till then, thank you so much. Namaste. Bye bye.